Everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create a beautiful earring using the newest Flex Company Design Kit? We are using the beautiful ceramic flower that came in the kit, and I will leave a link down below in the description. Softflexcompany.com has so many beautiful ceramic flowers, from roses to I think lilies and daisies, so you can do the same design pattern just using different beads and then your flower. So this is one of my favorite style of earrings to make. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And also down below in the description, I will leave a link if this design kit is still available, as well as all other earring inspiration tutorial playlist. Let's start creating. So the only thing I'm adding in are these beautiful 5 by 3 millimeter gem cut beads, and they are in topaz. They look like citrine, just like the gemstone, but they were from the Softflex Company live sale, so I will leave a link for that. Softflex Company live sales are fantastic. They're most every Thursdays at 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern. They have a lot of check glass and ceramic beads, so perfect to stock up on to make these beautiful earrings. And then we are using these beautiful beads that came in the Jesse James bead mix. You'll just need an earring finding and a 2 by 2 and some soft flex wire. I'm using about 5 inches of soft flex wire. It's probably more than what I need, but it's always great to have more, and then you can just save the extra for another project. And I'll leave a link down below as well for the soft flex wire. It comes in so many different colors. So if you do purchase a different color of ceramic flower, you can match it with your soft flex. So this is just basic bead stringing, but just due to the placement of a hole on the ceramic bead, and it's kind of on the larger side, so you could easily pass 2 strands of soft flex wire through it. To start, we're going to pick up one of our little gem cut beads and our oval bead and a gem cut bead. We're just going to alternate until we have 3 of the oval beads and 4 gem cut beads. And then we're going to add on our beautiful flower. And then we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. And the ceramic beads are handmade, so you might have some slight varying between the colors or just the style. All of the beads added on, we're just going to add on our 2 by 2. We are just going to slide it on one side of soft flex wire. It doesn't matter which one. With the opposite side, we're just going to crisscross and give it a pull. And don't worry if your flower is kind of moving out of place, it will straighten in just a moment. Soft flex 2 by 2s, it can hold 3 pieces of soft flex wire. So we're going to pass our soft flex wire back through to create a little loop or connection point. So it doesn't matter which side you use. We're just going to pass it back through. And don't worry if your beads start to get a little loose and slide away from the 2 by 2. We'll make any adjustments as needed in just a moment. So it's passing back through, and we'll have our little loop. We'll make our adjustments. So we want our 2 by 2 resting against the 2 gem cut beads. Sometimes this can be a little tricky and need a little bit of practice. Once you have it resting against the beads, we're just going to make sure that our loop is fairly the same size. So this is another little great reminder why you want more soft flex, because sometimes you just need a little bit extra tail, extra soft flex that you can pull through to make that loop cooperate and stay in place. So we're going to take our pliers and just gently squish our 2 by 2. And this is going to flatten it and keep everything nice and secure. Normally, I will round my 2 by 2 for a more professional finish, but just because of the placement of the beads, it's okay to just flatten. And when you're trimming your soft flex wire, you want to make sure not to trim your connection point. And any leftover soft flex, be sure to save for future projects. And you can also use this as a pendant if you would like to. So now we're just going to have our ear wire. Just open it up. Make sure our flower is facing the correct way and add on our earring. And then we're going to give it a close like we would a jump ring. And we have our beautiful earrings using the newest Softlex Company design kit with our check glass beads and our gem cut beads on beautiful Softlex wire with our ceramic flower as the star. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. Check out down below in the description for all the products used in today's video, as well as a link for all other ceramic beads from softflexcompany.com. Have an awesome day.